We have traveled across the country and we've noticed that there's a huge shortage in blue-collar workers. With a lot of the older generation retiring now, the newer generation is going to have to fill the void here. We're going to talk about the 5 most in-demand blue-collar jobs. Here at number 5, we have an HVAC technician. These guys are the ones that keep your house hot and cold. They work on refrigeration systems, air and heat. Our research has shown that they roughly make $30 an hour, give or take, and then their average salary is about $80,000 a year. At number 4, we have heavy equipment operators. These are the guys that build the bridges, the roads, kind of the backbone of the country. They also mine coal. A lot of the coal mines out here are all heavy equipment. Anything you see with equipment, whether it's from skid steers to track hoes, dozers, etc., that's these guys. These guys make roughly, $35 an hour or so and average about $85,000 a year. At number 3, we have electricians. These are the guys that keep the power on in the winter. They also will specify in conduit and PLCs and stuff like that. Without these guys, you're going to be considered to be living with the Amish. These guys on average make around $100,000 a year, just slightly above our last 2. At number 2, we have plumbers. These guys not only take care of your house plumbing and your sewage, but they're also integral into the city's plumbing and fresh water systems. Just along with electricians, they're making $100,000 plus. At number 1, we're saving the best for last, and of course that's welders. These guys are the ones that put in pipelines for your natural gas, along with building a lot of pipes for plants and structural, of course, for pretty much anything nowadays. Average welder salary is $100,000 plus a year. I've made over 200 myself. I know guys that have made 300, 350 plus. Whether you're in a shop or whether you're out on the pipeline, there's a huge cost difference there. According to the American Welding Society, there's going to be over 100,000 jobs available in the next 4 years. Where do you find the best welders? Western Welding Academy. Don't settle for being an average welder. Go to applytoweld.com. If there are any trades you think we missed or that we should talk about, let us know in the comments.